Got
Let me go to the class.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, all. Good evening. Nice to see you all back. Krishiv, are you here?
yes. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Krishiv.
Hi.
My only question is, you're into what grade this year, Amma?
7th grade.
Do you see it's written as 6th grade in your name? That's why I had that doubt. Do you see it? In your name in Zoom. Did you see it? No? Pranav, are you here? Good to see you, Pranav. Ishan, very nice to see you back.
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, ma. Jashwita and Netra, I want you to be on the video. Shruti, I'm glad it all worked out, Shruti. Mhm. Okay. Sreshta, are you here, ma?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Shri Hari, how are you? I talked to your mom.
Oh, I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
Nice to see you. Yes, ma, I'm good. Thank you. Johan, you're here, right? Shruti is here.
Yeah.
Nikita, how about you? Nikita? Nikita. Oh my God. Maybe she.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
did you sign any like homework over the break?
Break. Let me quickly. I did look through. Hold on. Shiv, are you there?
Yeah.
Good. Nice to see you.
Yes,
We'll go over that, Sri Hari. Saumya.
Wait, I think you did give homework.
I'm going there. I'm going there. Hold on. Just a minute. Saumya, good to see you, Saumya. Anybody I did not call you guys?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
you give like the memorize the until 30 square.
Yes. Did you memorize? Did you memorize until 30 square? Did you memorize until 30 square? See, when I ask you the question, you're not volunteering. Why? One second, guys. Give me a minute, okay? Okay, so, okay, we were working on proportions. You all remember? Okay, that was in summer, right? But you know what? I would like to review everything. There are a couple of new kids, so I would like to review everything. And the curriculum that we have set up is a little hard. When you look at the classroom itself, I have given you the curriculum. So that will help in a way, but that's just a guideline on what we are going to cover. Okay, so let's go ahead and work on first rational number. I'll just go over it first. Then let me review that. Let me review that set first and then I'll go ahead. Okay. Give a minute.
Wait, Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma'am.
So a square number is a number that's like multiplied by itself, right?
Come again, repeat, Sri Hari.
A square number is a number that's multiplied by itself, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, only the memorization was there, Sri Hari. From the last time that we met, the memorization was only there. Memorization of squares till 30. Does that sound good? Did I answer your question?
Yeah.
Okay. Only thing I want to make sure is on this. How about the rational number system? So let's go ahead. Let me cover that once so that we are all aware of. So you're all able to see my screen?
Uh,
No,
You're not able to see my screen? White color board, guys.
I don't see it.
I can see it.
I can.
I can.
Pranav, are you able to see?
Yes.
I can also.
Okay, good. Netra, I'm so glad you joined in. How did you make it, ma? Netra? Netra, are you there?
I can see your big profile, but I
Okay,
can't.
you're able to see my board, but Netra is not answering. It's a problem for me. Okay, let's go.
Wait, I can't see your board, ma'am. Uh,
I can only see your picture. That's all. You're not sharing.
I am sharing. The problem is you guys have to hit on Priya's screen.
Priya's screen. Okay, yeah. I'm on Priya's screen, but it shows you.
Nothing. I didn't write anything,
Yeah,
right?
now I can see it.
You can see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Good. Can we move on?
Uh, yeah, I can't see you. When I go into the screen, I just see you.
Sri Hari, you're not able to see?
Yeah.
Can you log out, log back in and check it out?
Okay.
I really want to move on.
Oh wait, yeah, I see it now. Wait,
See it now?
wait.
Need to see now.
I did it. I could see it for like a second.
Okay, you're able to see now, right? Can I move on then?
Wait.
Good.
I think I'm just going to leave and rejoin.
That's fine. Perfectly fine. Okay, I just want to move on. Let's see. So I'm going to review whatever we did. So since some of them are new, definitely it's going to help all of us, right? So before the school begins as well, it's going to help you a lot. So let's see. First of all, you should be able to understand the real number system in full. Real number system in full in the sense, you all know, you have all studied, I have studied this with you. If you have been with me for the last year, I know you have all been studying this. So the smallest set of numbers you know of is what? The smallest set of numbers that you know of is what?
Oh, the natural numbers.
Good job. Counting numbers are natural numbers. So that's there. And beyond that, what is the next set of numbers?
Whole numbers.
Whole numbers. What is the difference between whole numbers and counting numbers?
Whole number includes 0.
0. 0 gets added to the list of counting numbers. When you call whole numbers, it starts with a 0 but goes on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whatever the inside circle is contained in the outside circle of numbers. What is the next set of numbers, guys?
Integers,
Integers.
What is the added thing here?
negatives,
Negative numbers are added. In addition to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, that gets added. Okay, all the negative numbers. But when you look at the numbers, what is the best part of it? The whole, it's whole. Do you see there's no decimals or fractions associated with it? Shiv, what is the next set of numbers, Shiv? Rational, yeah, you're all good. Rational numbers covers all fractions and decimals where the repetition pattern is known. Decimal, where you know repetition, pattern. So that is rational numbers. Now, whatever does not come in rational numbers are irrational. They don't have mind for them. Like root 2, root 3, pi, all these stuff. However, the whole set of rational and irrational number belong to the real number system. Any questions here?
no,
You're all good with this?
Yeah.
Ishan, we are good with this?
Yes.
Okay. This time and again I have covered with you if you've studied with me. But it's just that you have to clearly know without any questions. Hold on. Sorry, I was muted. What type of a number is this, Krishiv? What type of a number is this?
2 squared.
No. This is square root of 2. Do you see? This is square root of 2.
Irrational number.
Yeah, it is an irrational number. It does not have sanity. Why? Irrational number. Because this one is 1.4142 and it keeps going. We don't know what pattern it's going to repeat. So it is a irrational number. You know that. Now, we are going to deal with a lot of irrational numbers. Okay. Now that you know the differentiation between the number sets, right? I will go ahead and add complications to it. Suppose, let's say you have, but before I go to square roots, right? Here, 2, 1 second, guys. Okay, coming to our real number system, right? You all know, okay, for a counting number 2, what does it mean? 2 square means 2 is repeatedly multiplied by 2. What is 2 cube? 2, 2, 2. The base is repeated exponent number of times. Now, what is 4 cube, Johan? What is 4 cube?
64.
How is it? So 4 is repeatedly multiplied 3 times. That gets you to 64. So like that, who can tell me what is 5 cube? Sreshta, would you be able to tell me 5 cube?
125.
Yup, 5 is repeatedly multiplied 3 times. Don't say 15, guys, okay? So now this part is easy. But when I say 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. What is the reverse operation of this? Meaning, what do you do on 4 to get a 2? What do you do on
Square root.
square root? Square root, right? Only when you square root 25, you get a 5.
Yeah.
How is that possible? Now, 25, I write it as a prime. I write the prime factorization of 25. The square root symbol is this. Cube root symbol is this. Fourth root symbol is this. You don't need to worry about this. But how do you find square roots? Write their prime factorization. Two numbers of the same number is repeated, you take 1 out and write. That's it. Now, when it comes to square root of 50, if they ask me to simplify this, you know what is the symbol called radical? Whatever is written inside is radicand. When you're asked to simplify this thing, right? I write the prime factorization. Now it's not prime factor. This is not a prime factor. So I go ahead and simplify like this. Now, instead of 2 copies, I take 1 out and write, but this does not have its pair. So that becomes 5 square root of 2. Netra, are you able to join properly, ma? Netra? Netra, you're able to join properly?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, good. Can I move on, guys? Now, can all of you simplify and tell me square root of 50 quick, 150 quick? What is square root of 150? If you're quick, we can do more.
Uh,
Oh.
Srihari, that's true, but please simplify.
my bad, sorry.
Composite.
Oh, okay, I got something.
Pranav, is that right, Pranav? Do you want to do it on the board? Meaning, guys, if you
Why
can
is chat disabled?
chat is not disabled, Ishan, but glad you asked me. You have to click on the blue button. When you click on the blue button on the top left corner of the chat window, in the chat window, go to the top left corner. You have the blue button. Click on it. You'll be able to chat with me.
Okay. Did you want me to do it on the board?
Yeah. Possible? Krishiv, did you get it?
Miss, did I get it right?
Yeah, go ahead. Quick, you can come back. Pranav, yeah, go ahead, Pranav. Thank you, Pranav, for doing it on the board. I really appreciate it. Krishiv, are you able to try? You're watching?
I sent the answer.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Yes, Krishiv, good job. But the others, I didn't get a correct answer. Srihari, good job.
Is my answer correct?
Sreshta, I checked all your answers. Krishiv got it. Okay, Sreshta. Yes, Sreshta, you got it. Sorry, ma. Okay. Okay, now let me see, Pranav. How did you do this 150? You know, for you, I don't want you to make mistakes. So please do it this way. 275. Circle the prime number. Go on splitting the bigger numbers. 2. Yeah, you can't do it 2. So 5, 1, 15. This is a prime number. Then 5, 3. Makes sense? So this is written as 2 times 5 times 5 times 3. Right? When you put it inside, Pranav, see here. Let me show you what was the mistake. Thanks for doing it on the board though. Do you see this only has a copy, right? Pranav, 50
Mhm.
composite number. So 5, you take it out, it becomes 5 square root of 6 because the 3 and 2 do not have pairs.
Oh,
Does that make sense?
yes.
You should be able to simplify very nicely. Suppose you have 5 by 3, right? This is division inside the square root, right? This can be separated and written down like this. Similarly, multiplication as well, you can write it like this. But one thing, guys, you all have to remember, square root of 5 plus square root of 3. This you cannot combine and they have to stay separately. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Wait, is this correct?
This is not correct. That's why I told you, see, Shiv, you have written the
Mhm.
answer as 3 square root of 25. 3 times square root of 25, right?
Oh, no, that's not. Oh, so it's 2 square root of
No, no,
25?
no, no, no. 150 square root is first to do the prime factorization.
Yeah.
When I write the prime factorization, I get this, right?
What?
Yeah.
Oh, I got 50 times 20. I got 25 times 25.
That's wrong. 150 is what? That's why
Um,
I said you write the prime factorization tree, right? This is how you write the prime factorization tree, right?
Oh, I did 50 and 3. And then I
50 and 3
simplified.
is okay still. You want me to do 50 and 3? That will also get the same result.
It will.
53, 5, 10, 5, 2. Take all the bottom numbers.
Ah, okay.
You got it? Okay, now who can do this 2, 5, 0? Simplify and tell me the answers. Square root of 250. So you should be able to represent rational numbers in any form. Yeah. Visual representation, relationship between sets of rational numbers, you should be able to do, and you should be able to operate on rational numbers very nicely. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division.
Wait, Miss Priya,
Yes, I am here. Go ahead.
am I allowed to do it on board?
You want to, yeah, you want to do it on the board and show us? Yes, you can. Why not?
Oh,
You
I was
right now?
Did I write it correctly? Like, never mind.
Try. Go ahead and try.
I don't want others to.
It's
Supposed to,
fine.
like, type it out.
You can type it out, yes.
How am I supposed to? Like, how am I supposed to do like the square root thing?
Ah, good question, Shruti. You can just say SQRT.
Okay.
Wait, Miss Priya?
Yep.
Is my answer correct?
Wait, where's my 0 going?
Your 0 is not going anywhere. Okay, let me check your answer, Sri Hari. Sri Hari, can you do it on the board for me?
Okay.
Oh, okay. Wait, let me remove it.
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
So edit this. Oh,
Mm, what is going on? Jashwita, you just missed by a small thing. You can check. Shruti, is it? Shruti and Jashwita, why are you getting the same thing incorrectly? I feel, let me work it out, guys. See, guys, I'm going to do it for you. Yeah. Go ahead. I'm watching. Why did you pick a yellow color? My eyes are Srihari. It's okay. Go ahead. Doesn't matter. Go ahead.
Miss Priya, can you check my answer?
Sreshta, yes, ma. I have more answers which I have not checked. Johan, correct. Johan, correct, Johan. You corrected it. Good job, Johan. Krishiv, correct. Ishan, Isha, Ishan, Shruti, and Jashwita are doing the same mistake, I feel. I don't know.
No, I don't know how to do the square root thing.
Inian, can I mute you? Okay.
and then I had two.
Yeah, Indian, that's correct. But if the same number repeats, you have to take it out of the square root. See, 5 has its pair, right? Good job. That is right. So 5 has its pair, Shiv. So bring out the 5. See, 250 is written as 5 times 2 times 5 times 5.
Yeah.
5 has its pair, right?
Yeah.
Instead of that pair, take one of it out and write down. And these two should remain in, like it's a jail, should remain inside. So 5 square root of 10. Make sense?
Oh, okay. I get it now.
Okay, how about square root of 48? Can you simplify the square root of 48?
We Miss Priya.
Come on. Go
Um,
ahead.
yeah. So if we have two pairs, so they're like outside of the box, we have to multiply them, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Miss
E-
Priya.
Yeah, Ishan. Correct, Ishan. Your answer is correct, Ishan.
Miss Priya.
Sohan got it, Shruti. Shruti, only one of it can come out, right, Shruti? Only one of it can come out, right?
Oh,
Yeah. Krishiv, you got it. Krishiv looks like you got a hang of it very nicely. Srihari, is it 6? Can you check Srihari?
Should I?
Correct, ma. Jashwita. Jashwita,
Oh,
you're doing it correctly, but you can split 12, Jashwita. Jashwita, 12 can be further simplified, right? You have 2 times 2 times 3, right?
I have 2 times 2. I have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3.
Correct. Okay, let me show you, Jashwita. Shiv, now I'm going to ask you to do it there and send it to me, but that's okay.
Oh,
48
sorry.
to simplify. Jashwita, you tell me.
2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3.
Like this, right?
Yeah.
Now, for these two, you get 1 out. For these two, you get another 2 out. And after that, you have this root 3. Now, 2 times 2 is 4 root 3. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Indian, did you get it, Amma? Yes, Indian correct. Srihari got it. Shiv, did you understand, Shiv? What was the mistake?
Wait, it's 4 out of 48 equals.
48, you'll have to prime factorize it. The prime factorization of 48 is 2, 24, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 2. So this is the prime factorization. All these numbers go inside the square root. In this, you find out pairs and take it out. Make sense?
Wait, so we would still get these same results with, because 48, I did 6 and 8, and then out of 6 and 8, I got 3 and 2, and then out of 8, I got 4 and 2.
Yeah, 3 and 2, 4 and 2, but 4.
Oh, wait, oh, yeah, 4.
Okay, so you need to be careful. I'm going to move on now. So guys, I'm going to make it a little complicated, okay? So here, one thing what I wanted to tell you was, if you take square root, right? Square root of 4. You all know what is square root of 4?
Square root of 4 is 2.
2.
2. Okay, now the best part is, it's not just 2, guys. This is so important for you to know. Keep it in the back of your mind. The 4 can be written as minus 2 times minus 2, or it can be written as 2 times 2. Do you all agree with me?
yeah.
Yeah.
As a result, square root of 4 has to be a plus 2 or a minus 2. If you write 4 like this, then one of the minus 2 come out and you can write a minus 2. If you write 4 like this, the 2 comes out and you can write it as a 2. So basically, square root of any positive number is plus or a minus of that number that's multiplied by itself to get this number. So whenever there is a radical and you're taking square roots, right, this has to be written as plus or minus 4. It can be a plus 4 or a minus 4. However, guys, we don't want to confuse people. In the sense, we don't want to make it more complicated. So we always take only the positive root, which is called the principal root. Positive root is called the principal root, and that's the only thing we are going to show. Make sense? Krishiv, did you get it? Can I move on? Any questions still here? Any questions still here?
No.
No.
Okay. So now, how about this? I'm going to see. I talked about. Let me see. Nikita, we are going over the rational number, irrational number things. Okay. Now let's go.
Sorry I joined late, Miss Priya. I didn't look at the email.
That's okay, Ma. It was my bad as well. I'm sorry. But you know what? On Tuesday, when you logged in, I said it was at 7 o'clock, right?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm sorry. But then we had to make the change for some reasons. Well,
Mhm.
legitimate reason because of other requests in the group. And I had to send it out today in WhatsApp. Okay. Please watch out. If you have numbers, join WhatsApp group. It is a closed group. I won't open it to anybody. It is a safe group. You can join in. Make sense?
Okay. Yeah.
And when you join, when you make a request to join to the WhatsApp group, make sure you tell who you are. Otherwise, I won't know. Okay.
Okay.
Now here comes the bigger problem. Meaning, I told you about counting numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, real number system. Correct? Now, with the knowledge of that, we have discussed time and again that this is a challenging question. Now, I'm going to sit and watch you guys solving this. There is a Venn diagram. I showed you the Venn diagram, proper Venn diagram. Now with that knowledge, integers are represented by Z and whole numbers are represented by W. Which of these is true? No. Please send it in chat. I really want to understand each of you, not just one, right?
I'm going to rest. Can I go to restroom?
Yeah, please come back quickly though.
Okay.
I'm waiting for your answers. Good job, Sreshta. Johan, good job. Krishiv, Krishu, I'm going to wait for you. Krishu and Ishan, both of you are thinking alike, but it is incorrect. Nikita, good job, ma'am. Krishu, how did you nail it? Why did you go wrong in the first time?
Thought the integers were like smaller than it's smaller than the whole number.
I see. You know what? If that is the case, right? Meaning if you're forgetting, Jashvita, is that, okay. I'll talk to you, Jashvita. Jashvita's was incorrect. Inian, good job, Inian. Proud of you. Netra, I'm waiting for you. Shruti, that's correct, ma. So, to let you know here what's happening, right? When you think about it, right? What did I say? Counting numbers. What is this? Counting numbers. The
Whole numbers,
Yep. Integers.
integers,
Integers is a bigger set than counting numbers or natural numbers, right? And then rational numbers is here. Now, when you think about it, see, all whole numbers are integers. So, do you see what is given here? All whole numbers are integers. The bigger circle swallows the smaller circle, right? So, which is correct, Jashvita?
H.
Why do you think it's correct? In all integers are whole numbers is given. Which is correct? All integers are whole numbers or all whole numbers are integers?
All whole numbers are integers.
Yeah, so the W should come inside. Do you get it?
A little.
Okay, so F is correct, guys. Now, that was good one. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to give you more of these questions. How about Srihari? Can you describe 15% is what type of a number?
I think
15%.
I think it's a rational number.
You think it's a good job. It's a rational number. 1 by 17, Nikita. What type of a number is that?
Rational.
Good job. It's a rational number. Nice. Okay. Now let's move on. How about this? Whatever we cover might be a little extra for school, definitely, because I will cover a few more like scientific notation and all that stuff. It is quite important for your class, meaning for your grade. I don't know. School does not cover those standards, I know, for grade 7, but grade 7 advanced means I would want you to learn all scientific notation, all that stuff, which is a part of grade 8 as well. Good job, Ishan. I'm going to move on. Okay, how about this? Is this true or false? Is this true or false? Is this, oh my gosh. Not so great, guys. Give me a minute. Are 8:30. 8:30. Sorry, guys. One second, guys. Sorry. Okay. Let's go ahead with this. Let me share my screen. Okay. How about this? You see my screen? Is this placement of numbers correct? Is this placement of numbers correct? True or false?
Miss Priya,
Go ahead. Good job, Inian. That's right.
Miss Priya.
I'm correct. Yes, ma?
I can't this is because 8.25 and then it is and then I can't see the rest.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't need to see the rest, only the Venn diagram.
Oh, okay.
I don't want you to read through and tell me, honestly. Just the Venn diagram. Just tell me whether the Venn diagram is correct or not.
I can only see one option though.
Don't worry about anything. You see two circles?
Yes.
That's what I'm asking, whether it is correct or not.
Okay.
That's right, Nikita. Good job. But I'm going to ask one of you to explain why. Jashwita, do you know what is 8.25%, ma? What is 8.25%?
Is it a rational number?
8.25%. Yeah, it is a rational number because see, if you delete this percentage sign, I can write it as divide by 100. Whenever you delete the percent sign, you write it as divide by 100. Per means divide, cent means 100. So by deleting this, you cannot just like that delete. You have to write divide by 100. So basically, it's a, you see, when you think about it, it's basically a fraction, or this becomes 0.0875. So it's a decimal. It is a rational number. But is that a whole number? That's not a whole number. So this entire Venn diagram is false. The Venn diagram is invalid. How about this? How about this? Let's see this one. How about this? G. Is this diagram given by G true or false? You don't have to read through what's given in the side. Is this is this diagram given by G correct or incorrect? Good job. Yeah, guys. Inian, why is it false? Can you explain? Netra, why is it false? Johan, correct. Nikita, correct. Johan and Netra, I want you to, Srihari, correct. Johan and Netra.
Because all counting numbers can be whole numbers, and all whole numbers can be rational numbers. And also 23 and 79 are counting numbers, and 0 is also a whole number and cannot be a counting number. And all the rational numbers are fractions or negative numbers, so that's why.
This is true. Ishan, you're not answering, Ishan. Did you answer
Yeah, I did.
for this one?
Huh?
Oh, yes, you got it. Okay, good. How about this one? Ah, okay. Now I want you to tell me. Okay, how about this, guys? Let me write it down for you. Tell me whether it's true or false. I'm going to stop screen, stop screen share, and I'm going to share again. Okay. All counting numbers are rational numbers. I'm going to pick out people. Okay. Shiv, is it true or false?
No, this is not true. Not all counting numbers are rational numbers, because counting numbers are numbers that start with 0, and some of the
Counting numbers are numbers that start with 1.
sorry, 1, yeah. 1, sorry.
And then
And
you have integers.
yeah,
Bigger circle. Then you have integers, then you have rational numbers. So I'm saying all counting numbers are rational numbers. Is it true or false?
false.
The inner circle is contained inside rational numbers, right? This is the inner circle,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So all counting numbers do belong to rational numbers, right?
They do?
Do you get it, Shiv?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Now let's see this one. Minus 2.5 is what type of a number, Srishta? Minus 2.5 is what type of a number?
Rational.
Good job. Okay. Now on a number line. Escort. So when you think about a number line, right? Let me say, suddenly I ask you, hey, where does root 2 go? Where will square root of 2 go? Where on the number line? Let's say I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to know, tell me two integers between which root 2 will lie. Will it come here? Will it come here? Will it come here? So that's what we are going to review now. Now, if I ask you that, it's hard to tell, right? But you all know square numbers. What are square numbers? What are square numbers? That is why I asked you to memorize. What is 4 squared?
16.
What is 11? What is 11 squared?
101.
21.
121. What is 12 squared?
144.
What is 13 squared?
161.
169.
What is 14 squared?
196.
196. What is 15 squared?
225.
Amazing, guys. What is 16 squared?
That's faster thinking.
What is 16 squared? Don't type it in the calculator and tell me.
256.
Yeah, you guys are not allowed to use calculators. What is 17 squared?
289.
Are you looking at the calculator? No? Yes? What is, I believe you guys. What is 18 squared?
324.
What is 19 squared?
361.
What is 20 squared?
400.
Okay, so you guys know these are all square numbers, right? Now I'm going to ask, where is the square root of 2 on the number line? I have no idea where does this fall, but I have to find out two integers between which it is going to lie. Now I write the number 2. Can you tell me what is the square number that is bigger and smaller than 2? Which square number is bigger and smaller than 2?
1 and 4.
1 and 4. Fill that in. We all know 1 is less than 2, 2 is less than 4. Now take square root. When you take square root of 1 is a 1, square root of 4 is a 2. What does it say? So it's between
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Got it, guys?
Yeah.
Now let's see. Where does square root of 13 lie? Between which two integers? I'm going to write down 13. Please pick out two square numbers that is less and greater.
4.
12,
What, ma?
9 and
12
16.
and 14. 9 and 16.
9 and 16. Amma, 14 is not a square number. So 9 and 16. So put
3,
percent
4.
symbols and then put square roots and everything.
Lie between 3 and 4.
They lie between 3 and 4. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Who did not get it? Who did not get it? Okay. Now can I ask you, where does square root of 56 lie? Where does square root of... Okay. How many of you want me to do this again one more time? How many of you think you can tackle by yourself?
Me.
I can do it.
Okay. I see Krish's hand raised, but you can press on the raise hand button. It's so easy on all of us.
Where is it?
Where is it? React. Go to react.
Okay.
Yep,
Oh, I
yep.
see it. Is it?
Yeah, you can answer that one. Oh, yeah. Ah, that was fast, Indian.
Miss Priya, can I go to the bathroom really quickly?
Sure, ma. Indian, good job, Indian.
Oh, I see it. Okay. Oh yeah, I see that. Okay.
Correct, Rishabh. Pranav, correct. Rohan, correct. So you guys are good with this, I feel. I feel like moving on, but let me know. If you didn't understand, then we need to... I did not get all answers. Ishan, you have to answer in class.
28.
You should be able to order rational numbers. So I would expect you to order rational numbers again because that was learned in 6th. 7th also, 8th also you learn the same thing. That's the problem with pre-algebra.
I didn't learn anything at school today.
Mm-hmm.
What?
What is that? Tell me.
Oh no, I was saying that we didn't learn anything in school today.
Oh, you school. Oh, Shiv, how did you get 5 and 6, Shiv?
Because
Shruti, no. Shruti, I don't want you to simplify. I want you to tell me between which integers root of 56 lie.
Oh, okay.
Nikita. Nice, Nikita. Okay, guys, let me tell you one more thing. See here. Square root of 56, right? What is the square number before and after? Krishiv, you did not get it.
49.
Yep. Here, take square roots. So this is 7 and 8.
Eight.
But sometimes I may ask you, hey, round it to the nearest integer. Which is the nearest integer? Nikita answered it already. When you think about it, the distance from 49 to 56 is greater or 56 to 64 is greater? Which distance is
56
greater?
to 64.
Yeah, that is greater. So it's far apart. But 49 to 56 is near. So it can be rounded to 7. Make sense?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, let me ask you this. Square root of 131. To which integer I can round this to? To which integer can I round this to?
You can round this to
Mhm.
sorry,
Mhm.
11. Because 131 is between 11 and 12.
Mm-hmm.
The nearest 11 square would be 121. That's 10 away from 130.
Why don't you send it in chat, Krish?
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
No problem. Yeah, that's true, Nikita. Ah, Shiv, you got it. Shruti got it. Okay, guys, you seem to be too good with this. I'm going to move on. Yes, Pranav, Krishuk, everybody got it right. But Ishan, can I see your... Aha, Indian. Yeah, that's right. So it can be, yeah, Ishan got it. But to which integer can it be rounded to, Ishan? Rounding means which is the nearest integer? Which is the nearest? Jashwita, did you get it, ma? I didn't get your answer.
Yeah, I'm typing it in.
Sure. Sreshta, correct. Sreshta, which is the nearest integer, Sreshta?
I sent it first.
You said, oh, yeah. Yeah. Jashwita, I'm waiting for your answer. I'm going to move on. So with fractions, decimals, you should be able to literally let me know, meaning literally be able to do anything that's asked for. I'll check Jashwita's answer. Give me a minute. Yeah, that's true. But when you think of, Jashwita, when you write it down, it's important to see this one, ma. See, the way you have written down is incorrect. 131, 131. The next whole number is this. The lower whole number is what? 121. Then you put the less than, and after that you're going to put square root on all of it. We are talking about this. So square root of 121 is 11 is less than square root of 131 is less than 12. Now, see, 131 is near to 121 rather than 144. So it is closer to 11 and it can be rounded to 11. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm going to push in a little further and see how about this. Is this statement true or false? I'll keep on revising again and again and again. Why am I not able to write down? Okay, all rational numbers are a subset of integers. All rational numbers are a subset of integers, which is true or false. All rational numbers are a subset of integers.
I
Good
have
job.
a question.
Yes, please.
What does subset mean?
Subset means, let's say let's say you and your sibling is a subset of your family. You get it?
No.
Okay, your mother and father are members of the family. I can say subset means members.
Okay.
Members of a group.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Correct, Indian. Shrestha correct. Ishan correct. Pranav, what is that F Pranav? Oh, okay. Got it.
Did I get it right?
Yes, Srihari. False is right. If I change it, guys, if I change it to all integers are a subset of rational numbers, what do you all think?
That's false.
Huh?
Wait, yeah, that's false.
It's false.
No, it's true.
All integers are members of rational numbers, right, guys?
True.
All integers, -1, -2, -3, then 0, 1, 2, 3, all belong to rational numbers, right?
Yeah.
Yep. You should not make a mistake there. We have revised it again and again and again, I feel. Okay. How about 1.6 repeating? How about that? 1.6 repeating is what type of a number, Johan? What type of number is 1.6 repeating?
Rational.
Rational. Good job. Why?
Because it knows its own pattern.
Good job. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. How about this? This is so hard on me. Why am I not able to cut paste? 7 by 8 minus 1.1. 7 by 8. Let's see. 7 by 8 minus 1.1. Then I have 50% 7 by 5 minus 3 by 4. 50% 7 by 5 minus 3 by 4. Now, you're all going to arrange in descending order. You know what is descending order? Who doesn't know what is descending order? See, we are all working with rational numbers. We are either working with operations of rational numbers or we are working with operations or we are meddling with them. You need to know everything about rational numbers. That's the intent. Yes, Ishan. Come quickly, Ishan, though.
What is that 50%?
Yes. Please, with respect to the negative numbers, I really want you to remain something. With respect to the negative numbers, when you think about it, please listen for a minute. -1, -2. When you go down, the value decreases. When you go down, the value decreases. By that, what I mean, -2, -1, which is less? -2 is less. But whereas 2 is greater than 1. But when it has a negative sign, -2 is a lesser number than -1. That you need to remember here. That is the hardest part.
Should I type the answer in the chat box?
Yes, please, always. There are two negative numbers, Ishan. Did you see? There are two negative numbers, right, Ishan?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. See, you have to be very careful.
Miss Priya,
Uh-huh.
did I get it right?
Yeah, I'll check. Wait a minute. Correct, Shruti.
Wait, that was not Shruti, that was Johan.
No, I know. I was looking at Shruti's answer, so I said, Shruti, I'm going to check your answer, Johan, before Pranav. I'm going to check Pranav and then yours. Yes, Pranav, that is right, Pranav. Johan, I'm going to check yours. Johan, correct, Johan.
Miss Priya, is my answer right?
Ishan, 1 minute, I'm checking one by one. Ishan, correct. Krisha, correct. Did I solve all of yours? Nikita, that is, what lady? Amma, don't give me half. I have given you 50%. You see what I mean? If I give you 50%, you have to give me 50%. Correct, Manikita, though your answer is correct, though. And Netra, your answer is as well correct. Ishan, Indian, did you send, guys? I'll bug you if you're not sending. It's important.
I sent it, Auntie. I sent it.
Yes, I'm sorry. Okay, now let me go ahead and ask. Okay, now that apart, right? Okay, how about if you're given this? I don't know whether you can do this. Let's see. Okay. Can you order the colors and the remaining ink level in descending? What is going on? Okay, let me write it down for you. 1 by 3. Okay.
Miss Priya,
Rama,
have you tried reloading the page?
reloading the page. Probably, Nikita, I'm guessing the storage in the drive is full. That's why. So I can't. I might feel that's why I did not bother about it. I'll do it after the class. Make sense?
Okay.
That's my problem. Okay. How about this? It's a hard one. Let me see. Hard one. I mean, sometimes it's hard, but I'm going to try pasting it one. Okay, guys, give me 1 minute. I really want to fix this, and then let's see, guys. Give me just 1 second, okay? It's not making sense to me without it. I really want to be able to paste it. Okay, how about how about this? Which set contains irrational. This I don't want myself to be in it. See, I was able to. Should I make it bigger, guys? Meaning, if you're not able to see, you have to ask. See, this class is more, you should be more interactive. Whatever you want, you have to ask and make sure you understand it's your class. So I want it to be productive. So which set, can I make it bigger?
So,
Is it okay or even bigger?
I think a little bit.
Little bigger?
Yeah.
Sure.
Miss Priya,
Yama?
doesn't that tell the answer?
Yeah, it says the answer is
Yes,
D.
it says the answer. Good job, good job, good job. Yeah, you found it properly. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's see. Let me give you another one. How about this? Okay, how about this? Square root of 8, comma pi. Square root of 8, comma pi. You can call this set as what type of numbers? Square root of 8, comma pi. Commonly, this group, square root of 8, comma pi. This belongs to which set of numbers? This belongs to which set of numbers?
I think that's irrational.
Is it rational?
No, irrational.
No.
Yeah, it's irrational.
Irrational. Okay. Now is okay. Even if you know the answer, right? The one that's on the board. Which set contains only irrational numbers? I can make this question very differently. Now, let's consider A. There are 4 different questions here. Why is this set? Why can't this set be called it contains only irrational numbers? What makes it not just irrational numbers? That particular group of numbers, you cannot say it is only irrational numbers. Why?
Because 3 out of 4 numbers are rational.
What
Yeah.
are they?
Hmm?
What are they? What are they?
-8, negative square root of 4, and and square root of 16.
Good job. Krishiv, can you answer C? What makes it not only irrational numbers?
Because of -16 and I meant the negative square root of 16.
Nice. Good job. Okay. So Krishiv says all the 3 other numbers in the C group are irrational. That's true. How about this? Who wants to try? Jashvita, do you want to try? Or Pranav, you want to try?
Sure. Everything except a negative square root of 64
How about square root of 0?
and 0.
Yep, don't miss that. Jashvita, you want to answer the last one? The last one
I
is,
kind of got confused at this question.
but do you understand now?
A little though.
What is that you didn't understand?
I didn't understand what was irrational numbers.
Now, okay, see, irrational numbers are decimals that do not have a repetitive pattern. Any square root that is not a square number is irrational. Got it?
Yeah, a little though.
I see. Now, Shruti, you can leave if you want to, ma. You have to go, right? You have to go, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can go.
Bye.
Now, bye, ma. How about this? But this is a hard question, I would say, but let's see. See, you should be able to tell me irrational, rational by heart. See, to that level, I want you to come into. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. Wait, I'm going to give you. Let's see. How about this? How about this? This is a tad bit difficult. Let me see. A set contain 1 second, guys. Da, 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 da. Mhm. Mhm. Yeah, that's much better. How about this? A set contains the numbers. Which of the following statements is true? It's a difficult question as well. How many irrational numbers does it contain? You have to think a little bit and answer. These are confusing questions many a time. You have to pick out. Literally, you have to pick out. If you say 7, you have to pick out the 7 for me.
Wait, ma'am, it's 7:30.
What is it?
It's 7:30.
Oh, doesn't matter. You want to leave?
Not really.
I really want to have a logical conclusion, for every class.
Oh, okay, I see.
No problem. Go ahead. We'll finish with this. Yes, Krishiv, go ahead. Krishiv, you can just message me. Come back quickly. That's it.
Miss Priya, I sent it.
Jashwita.
Yes.
The ordering is not correct, ma.
Oh, that was
Order-
before.
Yeah, that was before, but you had sent it late and I had moved on, right? So I wanted to let you know that it was not correct. But did you understand the order?
What's this? What are they? அது அவங்க ஏதாவது பண்ணிருக்காங்களா?
No, it's mine.
ஓகே, அதுல என்னென்னன்றத கேட்பாங்க அடுத்து. நீ 3ன்னு போட்டனா.
3.
Go ahead. Nikita. Good job, Nikita. Johan, good job. Johan, you're not telling me what are they, Johan. Pranav, good job, but you're also not telling what are they. I told you to tell me what are they. Shrestha, can you list them? Looks like one of it is incorrect. Srihari as well, one of it is incorrect. But can you list them?
Okay.
Shiv, where is your answer for this? Ishan, can you list them?
Can you explain this a little?
Absolutely. I'm asking, a set contains these numbers. There is a group of numbers given, right? You have to tell me which of the statements is true. I'm saying
No, I mean like irrational and like the irrational numbers. I still don't understand that one.
rational is all fractions, decimals, everything that has a pattern. The pattern you can predict what's going to come in decimals. Those are rational numbers. But if you don't even know the pattern, right, Jashwita, then it becomes irrational. You see, irrational numbers means like square root of 2. When you convert it to a decimal, you don't even know what is the pattern of repetition. Some digits come, but we don't know what digits are going to come. You got it?
Yeah.
Whereas 1.6 repeating, 1.6666666. See, I know the pattern. This is rational.
Oh,
Okay, and any fraction is rational.
okay.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, now guys, I asked some of you to, with this I'm going to conclude. Let's see. Okay, hello Ishan. 0.31 repeating that line. You know the pattern, right, Ishan? Minus
Oh,
2.3.
bar.
Minus 2.3 is very much a rational number because it stops. You got it? Then, yeah, but so please again resend your answer. Shiv, tell me what are those numbers? Srihari, square root of 9 is 3. Is it irrational?
Okay.
Pranav, minus 2.3 is a very much a rational number, right? It has some sanity to it. If it behaves insane, where it does not know how it repeats, then it becomes irrational. You got it?
Yeah, so
Srihari. No problem at all. Here we are here to make mistakes in this class. You have to understand. That's the deal. At least whatever we cover, you should understand and move on. Yeah, but please guys, decimal, fraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, when I give homework, do them at home. I'm not going to do much of it here in class. Okay, 2 by 7 is a fraction, right, Ishan? Any fraction is rational. Krishiv, did you list out to me what are they? Krishu, I want you to answer this before we disperse. Okay, Shiv.
Yeah.
Square root of 15 is irrational, I agree.
Yeah.
Okay. Square root of 50 is irrational, I agree.
Mm-hmm.
But this one, right? 0.31313131. It goes on forever, but I really know the number knows itself. It is rational. It has some sanity to it. It knows what it is doing. It's not insane. Ian, I have not got your answers.
I
Wait.
sent it in, Auntie.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me see. Then I have not at least checked it, Ma. Give me a minute.
Wait, but Miss Priya?
Krish, good job. But Krishiv, you need to list out the irrational numbers. That is where you're all making mistakes. You have to list it out to me. Yes, Ishan, yours is correct now. Sreshta. No, I want, yeah, Sreshta, 2 by 7 is a fraction, ma. It is not irrational. Any fraction is a rational number. Make sense?
Okay.
Good. Netra corrected. Nikita correct. Inian, 50, square root of 15. Yeah, 2 pi. Correct, Inian.
I said the irrational numbers.
Yep. And so today, your homework will be a complete review of all what we have studied. It lies between this integer, that integer, round to that, rational numbers, real numbers, all that stuff. Okay. So that will be the homework for today. And next week, I'll go directly to the next topic. Make sense, guys?
Mm-hmm.
Bye,
Okay,
Miss
guys.
Priya.
Bye, guys. See you all next week. And if you have
Thank you.
questions,
Miss Priya.
Priya, thank you.
bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Have a nice week ahead in school.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma'am.
for the Google Classroom, when I'm pressing the link, it's sending me to a page saying class not found.
Use the code, ma'am.
Okay, but when I'm putting the code, it's going to G78 advanced. That's the right one, right?
Correct.
Yeah, I'm just checking.
Going to show me? G
It's a
25, 26.
yeah, 25, 26.
Correct.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
You're doing very well. Good job.
Thank you, Miss Priya.
Bye.